Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous classes we have completed till exercise 6C. Now in today's class, let's start with the exercise 6D. In this exercise, you will do questions based on the board mass. So firstly recall that what is board mass. According to board mass, BODMAS. In simplification, this is the preceding order. We solve any statement, any equation according to the board mass, right? B for bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, right? So let's see how we will apply it. So according to board mass, firstly we will solve this bracket. These are not like terms, so we cannot add them. So we will simply open the bracket. Outside the bracket we have plus sign. So the sign of all the terms inside the bracket will remain same. 3x अगर plus का था तो plus का ही रहेगा 3x. And 7 was of minus sign, so this will remain of minus sign. Now these are like terms because both the terms have same variable and both have same sign too. 5x is of plus sign and 3x is of plus sign. So add them. 5x plus 3x. 5 plus 3 is 8x minus 7. Right? This is your answer. 8x minus 7. Next question. Question number 3. According to board mass, firstly we will solve the bracket. But in bracket we don't have like terms. So we cannot add or subtract them. So we will simply open the bracket. 6x. Outside the bracket we have plus sign. तो जब ब्रैकेट के बाहर प्लस साइन होता है तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो भी टर्म्स है उनका साइन सेम ही रहता है, चेंज नहीं होता, राइट? 7x माइनस का था, सो दैट विल रिमेन ऑफ माइनस साइन. 7y इज ऑफ माइनस साइन. नाउ दीज आर लाइक टर्म्स. ये क्या है? लाइक टर्म्स है बिकॉज बोथ दीज टर्म्स हैव वेरिएबल x. But sign of both these terms are different. 6x is of plus sign and 7x is of minus sign. It means opposite signs. So opposite sign means we will subtract these terms. 7x minus 6x. 1x. 7 minus 6 is 1 na? And sign will be of greater numeral. Greater numeral क्या है? 7 and its sign is minus. So we will put minus sign here. Minus 7y. Minus 1x is also equals to minus x because 1x का मतलब क्या है? 1 multiply x. So this is also equals to x, right? So we can write it as minus x minus 7y. So this is your answer, minus x minus 7y. Next question, question number 5. 5a minus in bracket 4a minus 3x. In bracket we have unlike terms. Variable same नहीं है, so we cannot add or subtract them. So simply we will open the bracket. Now students, outside the bracket we have minus sign. तो अब क्या होगा? Inside the brackets जो भी terms थे उनके sign क्या हो जाएंगे? Change हो जाएंगे. 4a was of plus sign. 4a के पास कोई अपना sign नहीं था bracket में. It means that was of plus sign. So now it will become of minus sign. 3x was of minus sign. Now it will become of plus sign. Right? ब्रैकेट के बाहर अगर माइनस साइन है तो जैसे ही हम ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे द साइन ऑफ ऑल द टर्म्स इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट विल बी चेंज्ड. नाउ दीज आर लाइक टर्म्स. क्या है? लाइक टर्म्स बिकॉज बोथ दीज टर्म्स हैव variable a and sign of these terms are different. 5a is of plus sign and 4a is of minus sign. So we will subtract them. 5 minus 4, 1a. Sign will be of greater numeral. 5 is of plus sign now, so this will be of plus sign. And plus 1a is also equals to 1a. So we can write it as 1a plus 3x. And 1a means 1 multiply a, right? It means a ones are a. So we can write it as a plus 3x, right? So this is your answer, a plus 3x. Next question, question number 7. According to board mass, firstly we solve the bracket. but in bracket also we start solving the bracket from the innermost bracket. पहले हम innermost bracket solve करेंगे, this one, right? So solve it. We cannot add or subtract these two terms because these are not like terms. So simply you will open the bracket. 3c, outside the bracket we have minus sign. So what is the concept? ब्रैकेट के अंदर जितने भी टर्म्स हैं उनके साइन क्या हो जाएंगे, चेंज हो जाएंगे. 2c was of plus sign ना, now this will be of minus sign, and 5d was also of plus sign, now this will be of minus sign. minus d outside the bracket. क्लियर? आप ये मत सोचना इसका साइन चेंज नहीं किया, नहीं करेंगे. वाई? बिकॉज दिस इज आउटसाइड द ब्रैकेट. ये आउटसाइड था ना माइनस साइन इस ब्रैकेट के, तो जो टर्म्स इस ब्रैकेट में है सिर्फ उसी के साइन चेंज होंगे. क्लियर? नाउ दीज टर्म्स आर लाइक टर्म्स एंड दीज टर्म्स आर ऑल्सो लाइक टर्म्स. नाउ दिस 3c and 2c both are of different sign, so we will subtract them, right? So 3 minus 2, 1c, and sign will be of greater numeral which is 3 and which is of plus sign. So no need to put plus sign here. Now solve these two. 5d and this is also known as 1d. 5 plus 1, 6d, right? Sign is minus in both the terms, so we will put minus sign here. 1c is also equals to c, so you can write c minus 6d. This is your answer. Next question, question number 9 is 3x minus in bracket x minus 4x plus 3y plus 5. Student, this is 5y, right? According to BODMAS, as I said, firstly we will solve the innermost bracket. We cannot add these two terms because variables are different, right? So simply open the bracket. Just open the innermost bracket first, right? Minus sign is there outside the bracket, so sign of both these terms will be changed. 4x plus का था, now it will become of minus sign. Minus 4x plus 3y will become minus 3y. Plus outside the curly bracket we have 5y, right? Now these two terms have variable x and these two terms have variable y, so we can simplify them. 1x can also be written as x, so write it as 1x. 3x minus 1x is of plus sign, 4x is of minus sign. Sign are different, so we will subtract them. 4 minus 1, 3x, and sign will be of greater numeral. 4 is greater now, so we will put minus sign here because 4 is of minus sign. Now 3 is of minus sign, 5 is of plus sign, opposite sign, so we will subtract them. 5 minus 3, 2y, and sign will be of greater numeral. 5 is greater, 5 numeral greater है ना, and its sign is plus, so we will put plus sign here, right? Now again outside the bracket we have minus sign, so we will open the bracket and the sign of these terms will be changed because outside the bracket we have minus sign. So write here 3x. Now 3x which was of minus sign will become plus 3x, and plus 2y will become minus 2y, right? Now these terms again have same variable and these are of same sign. Add them. 3x plus 3x, 6x minus 2y. So this is your answer, 6x minus 2y. Next question number 11. Firstly solve this inner bracket. We cannot add or subtract these terms because these are unlike terms. So simply open the bracket. Outside the bracket we have minus sign. So the sign of both these terms will be changed. 3b plus sign का था, now it will become minus 3b. 8c was of plus sign, now it will become minus 8c. Close this curly bracket. Now these two terms are like terms because both these terms have variable b, and you can also observe that these two terms have same sign, so we will add them. Same sign means addition. So outside the bracket minus sign, curly bracket start, add these terms because they have same sign. 3 plus 2, 5 and b is variable. Sign will be of minus because both these terms have minus sign. Minus 8c. Now students, open the bracket. Again outside the bracket you have minus sign. तो जब ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस साइन होता है वो डू वी चेंज द साइन ऑफ ऑल द टर्म्स इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट. हम ब्रैकेट के अंदर जितनी भी टर्म्स होते हैं उनके साइन चेंज कर देते हैं. -5p विल बिकम +5p एंड -8c विल बिकम +8c. राइट, स्टार्टिंग में आपको नीड नहीं है प्लस साइन लगाने की बिकॉज 5p इज ऑल्सो इक्वल्स टू +5p. So this is your answer, 5p plus 8c. Next question, question number 12. According to BODMAS, firstly solve this bracket. You cannot add or subtract these terms because these are not like terms. Right, variable same नहीं है. So simply open the bracket. Bracket के बाहर minus sign है. So you will change the sign of all the terms inside the bracket. इन दोनों का sign change हो जाएगा. 49 क्या था, plus sign का था. Now this will be of minus sign. And a square was of minus sign, so it will become of plus sign now. Right? Now this term and this term both are like terms because both have variable a square. This a square can also be written as 1a square, right? This is of plus sign and this is of minus sign, so we will subtract them. Right, 49. You are subtracting these two terms now because sign are different. So 5 minus 1, 4a square. And sign will be a greater numeral, 5 is greater. So and its sign is minus. So this is minus 4a square. So what is your answer? Minus 49 minus 4a square. Next question is question number 13. Evaluate the expressions given below for a is equals to -4. They have given the value of a which is -4 and they are asking to evaluate these expressions for a is equals to -4. आपको a की value put करनी है and then after putting value you need to evaluate it. So just put it as a has minus sign with it, -4 given है ना, so I will enclose it into the bracket. जब नंबर में पहले से माइनस साइन गिवन होता है I always try to enclose that into the bracket. So 6, put the value of a. What is the value of a? -4. Right, -14. ये 14 लिख देते हैं. Right, now outside the bracket we have 6. So multiply कर देंगे. 6 4s are 24 of minus sign -14. These two terms have same sign, so you will add them. 14 plus 24, 4 plus 4 8, 2 plus 1 3 and sign will be minus because both the terms have minus sign. So this is your answer. Right, fourth part, put the value of a cube. What is the value of a? -4. So a cube means -4 cube plus 2 a square means -4 square because value of a is -4 minus a means -4 plus 5. Now open the bracket, solve them one by one. -4 क्यूब का मतलब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? इन एक्सपोनेंट्स यू हैव स्टडीड -4 multiply -4 multiply -4. 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64 and minus sign is occurring odd number of times, so this will be -64. Right, now plus sign in bracket. -4 square means -4 will be multiplied by itself 2 times. 4 4s are 16 and minus sign is occurring even number of times, so this will be of plus. So write here 2 and in place of -4 square you will put 16 because its value is 16. Outside the bracket there is minus sign. Minus sign अगर ब्रैकेट के बाहर होता है, what do you do? You change the sign of the terms inside the bracket. Inside the bracket there is -4, तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? +4 +5. Now open the bracket. -64 plus 2 is outside the bracket. It means multiplication. यही होता है ना, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी में भी आपने रीड किया है. 16 2 सा 32 plus 4 plus 5. These three terms are of same sign, so you will add these three terms, right? इनको add कर देते हैं. -64, 32 plus 4 36, 36 plus 5 41, right? Now these two terms are of different sign, so you will subtract them. Subtract, it will become 4 minus 1 3, 6 minus 4 2, and sign will be of greater one. The 64 was greater, so its sign is minus, so our answer is -23. Next question, quite similar to the previous question. Now they have given the value of m, which is -2, and the value of n is 6, and they are asking to evaluate these expressions, right? So put the value of m and n in the second part. 2. What is the value of m? Value of m is -2, so I am enclosing it into the bracket. m square था ना, so -2 square will be there, plus 8. Value of n is 6, right? -2 square means -2 multiply -2, it means 2 2s are 4, and minus sign is occurring even number of times, so this will be of plus. So right here 2, its value is, इसकी value क्या है? 4 plus 8 in bracket 6. Now outside the bracket you have 2. It means you will multiply it by 2, you will multiply it by 8. 2 4s are 8 plus 8 6 are 48. These two terms have same sign, so we will add them. Add these two terms. 8 plus 8 16, 4 plus 1 5. So your answer is 56. Now let's solve the fourth part. Again put the value of m and n. 3. Value of m is -2. There was m cube, so put its power 3. 2 m square. What is m? -2 square. n. What is n? 6 plus n cube. N cube means 6 cube because value of n is 6. Now -2 cube means you will multiply -2 3 times. -2 multiply -2 multiply -2. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, and minus sign is occurring odd number of times, so this is -8. So write here 3 and its value is -8. Plus write 2. Its value will be -2 multiply -2 because this is -2 square. 2 2s are 4, and minus sign is occurring even number of times, so this will be of plus sign. So in place of this put 4, this is of plus sign. 6 plus 6 cube means 6 will be multiplied by itself how many times? 3 times. This is 216. So write here 216. Now open the brackets. This is outside the bracket. It means this is in multiplication. So multiply them. 3 8s are 24 of minus sign. These are of plus sign, and here is also plus sign. So there will be plus. Multiply them. 2 4s are 8. 8 6 are 48. Plus 216. These are of same sign, so you will add them. उनको add कर लेते हैं. 216 plus 48. 8 plus 6 14. 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. 2. Now this is of different sign, minus sign, so you will subtract it from this. 264 subtract 24, 0, 4, 2. So you are getting 240, and that will be of plus sign because plus value is greater, right? So this is your answer. Question number 15. Simplify the expressions and find their value if x is equals to this, a is equals to this, and b is equals to this, right? They have given the value of x, a, and b. So put it in this expression. 3 value of x is 2 raised to the power 2 minus 8. Value of a is minus 1. Value of b is minus 3 plus 4. Value of x is 2 power 2 plus 11. Value of a is minus 1 multiply value of b is minus 3, right? Now simply solve them. 3 2 square means 2 multiply 2, it means 2 2s are 4, so its value is 4 minus 1 multiply minus 3, so its value will be 3 ones are 3 and minus sign is occurring even number of times, so this will be of plus. So 3 plus 4, 2 square means 2 2s are 4 plus 11, multiply them because these are in brackets. 3 ones are 3 and minus sign is occurring even number of times, so this will be of plus. Now open the bracket. Multiply this 3 by 4, 3 4s are 12 of minus sign. 8 3s are 24 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 11 3s are 33, right? Now this term 12, this 16 and this 33, they all are of plus sign. ये प्लस साइन के हैं, सो इनको ऐड कर लेते हैं. 12 16 33, 6 plus 3 9 plus 2 11, 3 plus 1 4 5 6 61 minus 24 was also there. Now these two terms are of different signs, so we will subtract them. So 61 minus 24 is 37, and that will be of plus sign because greater numeral 61 is of plus sign. So this is your answer 37. So students, with this question your exercise 6D and this chapter 6 is also completed. I have left some parts, those parts you will practice yourself. In next class we will start the next chapter. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.